how to hide pins from your Pinterest profile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, want to hide certain pins from your Pinterest profile without deleting them? Then in this video, I'll show you how to hide pins on your Pinterest in few simple steps. So, the best way and the safest way to hide pins is to create a secret board. So I'll show you how to do it. Just open up a Pinterest. So find the pin that you want to save but hide, and then tap on save, and then you can see create board at the bottom. Tap on it, and then you can put in the board name and toggle on the make this board secret and just hit create. Now a board will be created, but it will be hidden from your Pinterest profile. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.